To draw a snowy Christmas house, start at the top with a bit of a triangle like that, and then draw a long section down, and we're going to want to have sort of equal sections, 1, 2, like that, and then bottom one can maybe be a little bit longer like that, and this is going to be the base. We're going to start up at the top with a little bit of snow like that, a little blob on the top, and 2 lines coming down, and then we're going to have this kind of snow, but make it kind of quite obviously blobby. So this is, I don't know why it is, but these kind of Christmas houses always seem to be like Dutch houses from Amsterdam, which have these kind of stepped tops like that. So there, that can be like that. And then we can draw the side of the house coming down, all the way down to the bottom. And we can put a little platform on the bottom like it's a doll's house or something like that. And then we can just put a couple of little lines across there, so that's a kind of a pattern kind of thing. And then we're going to want the kind of window top and 2 lines coming down each side. And then we can draw snow on the windowsill, and then we can do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 like that. And then we're going to do similar things as we work our way down the building. So draw the window top. There's a word for it. I got lintel. That's the word. And then 2 lines down. I'm not being very accurate here. I think that should be slightly wider. And it doesn't really matter that much, does it? So, and then we could draw the snow that's sort of hanging on the windowsill, and you can see it's quite forgiving, this design. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. There we go. And then we're going to want these line going across there like that. And we're going to have here, let's do something a little bit different. So let's go 1, 2, 3, and 4. We'll just have 4 tall windows going across the top here. And then we got the same sort of snowy bit coming on the lintels, on the sills, like that. And go down, down, down the middles, and then we can go down each side like that. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we want kind of a line going across again. And then we want to do the front door. So we're going to want to have a porch across there. And let's have 2 columns coming down each side, and then the base of the column, and then we're going to want to have steps. Have another step in there like that, maybe another step up there, and then we're going to have sort of a big door in the middle with a window. 1, 2, 1, like that, and a letterbox maybe. And then we can have a lintel over here and a lintel over there. Bring the 2 lines down each side for the window casement. And then we're going to want this snowy windowsill down below again. And we go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Then when you're absolutely sure the ink is dry, you can erase those pencil lines. Then all you have to do is colour it in. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, 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 practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.